So I dropped my rod. I think it's gonna hold right. Let's just fix it. And now we can go help. All right, this bird, I think it's hurt. It can't fly. Jesus. All right, we're gonna go help him. See if we can find him a stick or something. He needs some help. Hey dude, I'll help you. Hang on. I got a stick. Conveniently placed stick. Oh fuck, that's a root. Of course it is. Alright, well, that's better than nothing. Come here. Come here. Come on. I'll help you. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Ooh. Stand on it. Stand on it. Good boy. Yeah. I think he probably got hit by a car. Are you okay? Well, you're better than you were. Good luck, soldier. I don't know what to do. I guess his wing's broken. I'm not helping him anymore by standing around though. Stressing him out. He'll find his way up. Maybe. Yeah. He can get up. Okay, don't go that way. Go the other way. Alright, he'll be fine. Alright, bye dude. Alright, now I can go try my new lure. I almost just tripped on him. That wouldn't have been good. I think he got hit by a car and fell off the bridge because he wasn't there, and then he was. Look at him, he's drying off. Poor boy. That boy is cold. Because yeah, I just looked down, he floated all the way from there all the way over here. So he got out. Now I'm gonna try my new lure and I'm gonna catch one of these mangrove snappers.